Haitian-American Council member Mathieu Eugene condemns the heinous act of the MINUSTAH Uruguayan UN troops, and he asks for justice and compensation. President Michel Martelly of Haiti called it a collective rape carried out against a young Haitian, and said it will not go unpunished. The Uruguayan President, Jose Mujica, has apologized to the Haitians and the family of Eugene, who was allegedly raped by the UN troops. And Defense Minister Eleuterio Fernandez Huidobro signed a letter and said that Uruguay would compensate alleged victim Eugene. But in New York, the Haitians braved the heavy pouring rain and demonstrated in front of the United Nations on Friday, September 23, 2011, to demand swift justice, immediate compensation, departure of UN troops, and respect for a sovereign Haiti. Now, let's watch the video footage of the heinous act carried out by the MINUSTAH Uruguayan UN troops that triggers an outrage in the Haitian community and around the world.
Oh, Haïtien rassemblé, concerné. Pour ça pas bon, pour ça pas bien passé. C'est tout